How to avoid sugary drinks. Hey everyone, it's KimDent here, and today I'm going to be talking about how to avoid sugary drinks for better oral health. Sugary drinks are one of the leading causes of tooth decay and gum disease, as the bacteria in your mouth feed on the sugar, which then forms plaque and can eventually lead to cavities and other oral health issues. So, if you're looking to avoid these harmful effects, here are some tips for avoiding sugary drinks. First and foremost, it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps to flush away any bacteria, food particles, and sugar in your mouth, which can help to keep your teeth and gums healthy. Second, try to limit the amount of sugary drinks you consume. Sodas, energy drinks, and sweet tea are all high in sugar and can easily damage your teeth. Third, try to replace sugary drinks with healthier options such as unsweetened tea, sparkling water, or juice with no added sugar. These drinks are much healthier for your teeth and won't cause as much damage to your enamel. Finally, make sure to brush your teeth twice a day and floss regularly to remove any bacteria or food particles from your teeth. This will help to keep your teeth and gums healthy and keep any damage from sugary drinks to a minimum. So, there you have it. By following these tips, you can help to keep your teeth and gums healthy and avoid any damage from sugary drinks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.